Hello friends and teachers, this is Mutie featuring on the TSC TPAD. Today I'm going to take you through uploading the standards in the teachers portal. Watch, like, subscribe and drop a comment in areas probably would like me to feature on in the next videos. And then here we are in the teachers website and we go to the TPAD to log in. This part, in this part, the following people can log in: teacher or the deputy, also log in by the head teacher, curriculum staff officers, subcom director, account director, and also the regional director. So in this part, because we are interested in the teacher's part, I click on that. Then from there, I enter my password. Then I click login. Then there I land on my dashboard where now I'm going to have three menus. This kind of thing is known as a Nabaga menu. Appraisal, the TPD, and then appraisal report. This one for a regular teacher will be absent. This one for the appraisal should be absent. Now let's click on the self-appraisal. Then we land on two other menus that is self-assessment and then lesson observation. Lesson observation is normally done by the deputy teacher, so you don't need to worry about all that one. So you go to self-appraisal. In the self-appraisal, we have this landing page. If you're not created for this term, then over the term that you are in, just click on create new appraisal. Then you go, enter the year, then you enter the term, then from there you can also go to eligibility. That one is on duty or not on duty. If you are not on duty, maybe you're on leave, you are going to click not on duty. Then you click save appraisal. On my case, because I've already created mine, has given me this kind of a warning telling me that you are ongoing assessment. Please complete it to a new one. So I click OK. Then there we are. So I collapse this one. Then I look. If you look at my timeline here, you will find that there are several. Let me that you can have a closer look. We have several appraisals that have already been done. Well, the one for 2020 term 1, it was 99% and it was incomplete. This was this part that it is incomplete. All the others are complete except for 2022 term 3, that is, and term 3, 2021 academic. Then from there, you can go to proceed to appraisal. That part now, you shall have standards. You have number 1 standards, learners progress. The teacher, you fill the learners progress yourself. Then you have lesson attendance. That one is filled by the deputy teacher. Fills that. So from there, we go to just click on update standards. In this part, you will have this option to select whether you are in the primary school or secondary school. School that is regular, schools are the SM. In my case, we are in the primary school regular, so we click on that one, then proceed to standards. On this landing page, you will find that we have 5 main standards, that is professional knowledge and practice, comprehension learning, teacher professional development, and the others which are already been listed there. So I need to zoom it out so that you see for yourselves. Those are the 3. Then agree with appraisal weights. Then we have this record scale. Then on the other part we have add weight. We click on add weight. Then from there you add weight there. I can give myself 2.4. Then I have the gap category. I can select others. Then from there I can type a comment. Good lesson. Good as far as I'm concerned. You should have a detailed one. Good lesson. Then from there, also upload an evidence here to show that you did what is shown there. Click submit. Then from there, it is successfully added. Then when we get back there, you'll find out that the first part has been done. Then you continue on and on for all the others. You continue to the last one. Then up to from that part you have then if you look at this one now in the knowledge and practice, which is total 24, I have already completed 13%. So I want to show you another method in which you can add them. If you can fill them offline, then I click on download Excel sheet. The Excel is already opening, and I just make it full size. Then this one is an Excel sheet that we have already downloaded. I can fill it. I read as I fill it offline. Then I fill it all the way to the bottom. Then from there, what do? I just do save. I save it there. one measurement. Then I get back to, then I go to Excel sheet. Then we just rush to the computer where we have already saved our Excel sheet. That there it is. Then we open. From there we just upload our Excel sheet successfully. If you look at the timeline now, it says the teaching standards uploaded successfully. So that is just it. Then from there we just go back to the TPAD. Then we try to refresh and check whether our standards have been uploaded. If you look at it, our standards have already been completed. And from there we just click on next. Have already been uploaded successfully. If we get to go back, then there we have a self-assessment, and then we check the level of completion of our appraisal. You will definitely find out that the level of completion of our TPAD has gone from back where it is 99%. Now the remaining part will be on the learner's progress and the lesson attendance. If you try to look at this one, you can as well update for the CBC and the regular learners progress. So that is it on uploading this standard.